Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get cars in the JSS public server. First, you'll need to launch your game client and connect to the JSS public server. Make sure your game is updated to the latest version to avoid any compatibility issues. Once you've successfully joined, you'll typically spawn in a central hub or main area, which is your starting point for exploration and car acquisition. To acquire a car, you'll need sufficient in-game currency. You can earn this by completing various missions or tasks available on the server. Many servers also host special events that offer generous bonus rewards, so keep an eye out for those. Additionally, if you have any items you no longer need, selling them can provide a quick boost to your funds, helping you reach your car buying goal faster. Once you have enough currency, your next step is to find a car dealership. Open your in-game map, and you should see specific icons or markers indicating where vehicle dealerships are located. These are usually found in larger cities or designated commercial zones. Use any available transportation, like a basic starter vehicle or public transport, to make your way to the dealership efficiently. At the dealership, interact with the non-player character or a designated terminal to browse the available vehicles. You'll see various models, each with its own price and statistics. Select the car you wish to purchase and confirm the transaction. After a successful purchase, access your inventory or a dedicated car spawn menu to summon your brand new vehicle, ready for you to drive.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.